In this video, we will cover how to set the VRating for your GT printer. This video was created using Windows 7. You'll need to perform the voltage rate settings with the printer during the setup process or when replacing a printhead. To begin the process, ensure the printer is first connected to a PC via LAN or USB connection. First go to the Windows Start button, then go to All Programs. From there, go to the folder named Brother GTX4 Tools and open it. Next, click on the GTX4 Maintenance. This will launch the Maintenance Tool program. From here, first ensure your printer is connected and you have it selected at the top drop-down, specifically in the case of if you have multiple printers. Click on the radio button for VRating settings and click Next. On the screen, you'll go in order by setting the VRating for the color heads. Note, if you have not set the voltage yet, the tool will tell you Not Done. You can click Next to begin the process. On the next screen, you'll need to input the VRating specific to the CMYK printhead. Pause here and go to the printer. At the printer, note that each printhead has a VRating already on it, located next to the head serial number. We will use this number to input into the tool. Back at the PC, enter the corresponding number that was on the printhead and click Next. You can now repeat this process for the white side printhead, entering the VRating specific to that head only. After completing the white side, click Next. You will receive a prompt stating you have completed the process. By clicking OK, it will take you back to the main menu of the maintenance tool. On the main menu, you can continue to the firing adjustments. If you have not completed the CR speed adjustment, please do so before proceeding further. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.